There are approximately 12 laws in Islam, 12 Imams who brought the Sharia or law. Al-Muslim was inclined towards the Sunni doctrine.
Yes.
So which one of the Imams out of the 12 would be more suitable to follow?
After Muhammad Islam has given his decision?
Yes.
What do you mean by yes? Whereas the Muhammad Islam has given his decision that Imam Abu Hanifa is the best of all and he should be followed mostly. Where is the question left now? Of following anyone else?
No, my meaning wasn't that I should follow somebody else other than Hazrat Masih. But I wanted to get clear on which of the 12 laws, Sharia, because in the present Muslim world, there are disputes.
In fact, there are 4 major schools of jurisprudence. And 12 out of the 12, the rest of 8 are just minor ones, insignificant ones. The 4 major ones are Hanafi, Hanbali, Shafi'i and Maliki. And they enjoy the greatest following all over the world. So of these, the Masih Maud preferred Hanafi. But he said that if there is a verse of the Holy Quran which categorically opposes the Hanafi view, or a tradition which you come across which categorically opposes the Hanafi view, leave the Hanafi view and accept the teachings of that verse or that tradition. And if you don't find anything there, and I have given a decision against the Hanafi ruling, then accept my decision and reject the Hanafi ruling. And if there is a situation where you have to think, then the ulama of Jamaat in general principle should get together and decide on that issue. But as a general principle, he advised the community to follow the Hanafi law, where all these things are not present.